Hi guys, I'm back for another video. So today I'm going to talk about my February favorites. So I have different kinds of products from skincare, and for the first time I will also include a food, no, not really a food, like the drink, or yeah, you will see later what I will talk about. So first is my Skinfood rice mask wash off. So this is how it looks like. So this is really popular mask from Korea. So this is how it looks inside. So it has a bit like texture when you apply it, but it's really soft. I know it's good for brightening. That's why I used it again, because I had like really dark acne scarring hair. That's why I use this, and also I want to empty this soon, because I have this for I think almost a year, or I hope not more than a year already. And I noticed, if you see, I think I had like 3 videos ago, I need to cover a pimple mark here, but now it's not really, you don't really see it. So I really like this. It's really hydrating and smoothing, and it's really nice for the face. I also leave it for 10 minutes and then wash it off with just water, and then continue with my skincare. So this is one of my favorites this month. The next one is wait, because it's in French, it's the SVR Topialyse Baume Intensif. Why there's no English here? I hope I was saying it right. So this is how it looks. I only learned about this brand when I went to Lille, and we went to a French pharmacy because I wanted to buy some of my the French pharmacy products that I really love. And the pharmacist recommended this to me when I asked her, because I'm looking for a body wash that is good for dry skin, and she said, do I also have an itchy skin? It was so cute how she's spoken English, because you know their accent. So I said yeah, and then she recommended this, and fortunately I really like this. It's really, I still feel a bit itchy after I shower, but not that much anymore because of this, and I feel like it really suits my skin. That's why I really like it. I think I will buy again from this line. And the next one is also from SVR, because I also look for no, I think that was for lotion I look, and then now for body wash. So she also recommended this to me. So I don't know how you pronounce it. Baume Lavant Topialyse. I have no idea, but this is also to soothe and soothing cleansing cares for severe dryness and itching, and I really think that it really helps with the itching. I always have problem during winter time, and after I shower I always have really itchy skin, even until after an hour or 2 hours of showering, or even the day after. So I really like how this helps me, and I think this is really a good line from this brand for itchiness, so I highly recommend it. And it's also no soap, no fragrance, sulfate, and paraben free. So that's it. The next one is a shampoo. So I've also, during winter time, I always have problem with dandruff, and it's really not nice, because I notice I have really like flaky scalp, so everyone can just notice it, and also me. That's why it's really annoying. So I wanted to try from Neutrogena. It's their 2-in-1 dandruff shampoo plus conditioner. So it clears and prevents dandruff, leaves hairs feeling soft. So I wanted to try from Neutrogena because I wanted to try a cheaper version of anti-dandruff shampoo. I did like a red can, but it's like €15 for 250, I guess, 250 ml, and this is only around £7, because I ordered it in Amazon.uk. But what I'm really shocked about this is that after a day, after I used it, I didn't see any dandruff like flakes anymore on my scalp, and I was really amazed. It's like, how can that be? Like, one use it's already effective. But it's a bit drying for my hair, but I use something else that I will talk about later to make it a bit not so dry, but I really highly recommend it. I tried also the other version, but I noticed the flakes now are coming back, so if I think I will just use this and not the other version of this. So I really highly recommend it if you have itchy and flaky scalp, and it's really, this is really amazing. It's magic. So the next product is the Wella Professional Oil Reflections. This is only what it says here, so it looks like this. So this is for like a hair oil, but they said it's not heat protectant or anything like that, so it's just to, I think, give moisture to hair. But I still bought it just to try, but she said it's like free of any parabens and things like that. I was not sure what else was free from this, it's not written here. But what I like about this, because when after I blow dry my hair, it feels dry because of the Neutrogena shampoo, but after I just here at the tips of my hair and all around my hair, it gives shine and moisture to my hair back, so I'm really loving it. And the next one is a perfume, so it's from Zara, the rose perfume. So I had this already months ago, but I stopped using it because I'm like that. After a few months of using a perfume, I get fed up with it and I will use another one. But now I like this kind of scent, like powdery floral scent, so I'm really loving this now. Next ones are makeup. So I have two favorite highlighters for the month. So first is this from Jouer, their powder highlighter in the shade Ice. So this is like a white highlighter. So I really like this, how it looks on my face. I usually use it to apply in my nose area, but this is like a metallic kind of highlight. That's why I'm not really into using in this area, but on my nose it really looks good. So the next one is highlighter as well. It's from the Balm, the Manizer sisters. I hope I'm saying that right. So it has 3 products. So this is the Marilu, the Cindylu, and the Betelou. So I only use this. This is what I use for highlight now. Here, yeah, it just gives you the glow from within look, and I like how smooth it is, and yeah, it just blends in the skin nicely. So the next one is eye pencil from Bbia. It's the last auto gel eyeliner in the shade LR Rose Coco. So it's like an automatic kind of pencil that you just, so it's nice, so you don't need to sharpen it. I had this already for a long time, but I didn't know how to use it because I don't know how to put liner. But then one day I just wanted to like put a color on my lash line, on my lower lash line. I really like the effect of it because mostly my lower lash line is really pale, so when I apply it like now, it gives like a really nice color to my lower lash line. So I really love it, and it's really smudge proof, and yeah, it's really, Bbia products are really good quality. I also had their other shade from this and I really liked it. The next one is an eyeshadow palette, and it's from 3CE. It's their 3CE multi-eye color palette. So this is the palette with that is called Overtake. So I really like the colors of it, if you see here. It's really good for like winter, I know, spring, summer kind of color, also winter. And if you can see, I use this a lot already. It's like, I think I'm gonna hit the pan soon. This is the only two I use a lot, and I use this, like this one for like transition shade, and then the under it is my like the base shade, and I really like the quality of this. I think I'm gonna buy more. I will repurchase this if it will be gone. And yeah, I'm really surprised with the quality of 3CE eyeshadows. It's comparable to high-end products, and it's not creamy like the Bbia that I've tried, and buttery, but it has a kickback, but it's not really as bad as the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. And yeah, I really like how pigmented it is, how it blends in my skin. It's really, it melts to the skin really nicely. How they combine each colors is really perfect. I think this is good eyeshadow for a whole year round. That's why I really love it. Next one is a blush also from this line. Oh, by the way, I love the packaging of this line. Look, like really the color and how it feels, that a matte kind of packaging, and it really feels like sure use. It doesn't look cheap at all, and it doesn't feel cheap at all. So the next one is the Style Manda 3CE face blush in hashtag rose beige. So this is really, this is how the shade looks. So what I'm wearing now, it really gives you a healthy glow. Like it doesn't, like, you don't look clownish at all. It really looks like a nice flush on your face that really looks pretty. I really amazed also with the quality of their blush. I think I like this more than the MAC. I think I can say that. And it's only €11, around €11, and sometimes less if they offer like a discount, especially in YesStyle. I got them and it was on sale in YesStyle. So I'm really happy I tried them because I really love their quality. I think I'm gonna get more from 3CE, especially their blushes. I already love their lipsticks, but their blushes and eyeshadow are really amazing. And the last one is the lip product. It's the one I'm wearing right now. So it's from Pony Effect. It's their Pony Effect favorite fluid lip tint in the shade Sheer Delight, hashtag Sheer Delight. So if you look at the packaging, it really looks like pretty. It's like a rose gold detail. It feels heavy, it feels not cheap at all. It really feels like sure use. And this is this is how it looks on the lips. I like it. I think this my first lip, no, not my first lip gloss, but like tinted lip gloss that I tried, and I really love it. Only the downside, I don't really like the applicator because it's so like soft, like flimsy. This is the applicator. I like it more when it's a bit stiffer, but it's okay. It just takes longer to apply it. That's all that I can complain about it. But it really applies really nice. You can layer it really good. Doesn't feel tacky. It doesn't feel sticky. It just feels comfortable on your lips. Of course you need to retouch if you eat, and it's pretty long lasting to me, but I didn't really wear this for more than 10 hours only while working, and I really like the effect. It was still shiny all throughout during my work time, so I really like it. So the last one is a tea, green tea, but with a flavor. It's from the Health and Healthier Organic Green Tea with Coconut. So this is how it looks. So I got this from Holland and Barrett here in again. And what I like about this, I really like green tea, and I stopped drinking coffee just to see, because I feel like I feel so dehydrated, and it's just that really I don't feel really good when I always drink coffee. So I stopped drinking it and I started drinking green tea. I know green tea is really good for the skin. There are a lot of products with green tea on it, but I wanted to drink green tea from now on, but with flavors, and I saw it. It was also, there was a promo, I think, buy one take one, I'm not sure anymore. That's why I got 3 from them, or buy 2 get 1 for free, I think. So yeah, I really like the taste, especially this coconut. I never expect they will make a tea out with that coconut flavor, but I really like it. It feels really, yeah, it doesn't feel like a cheap kind of tea or like other teas, and yeah, I feel like it also helps with my skin, and yeah, I really love this tea. I think I will repurchase the Maruka. I hope I'm saying it right. Maruka, I think Maruka honey. So yeah, so that's all for my February favorites. I hope you enjoyed it and it was a bit helpful for you, and I hope you will give it a thumbs up if you like it, or comment if you have anything, if you have any questions, or share it if you find it helpful. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.